Trends in Geospatial Technology. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, students would be able to understand Introduction, Remote Sensing Trends and Technology, GIS Trends and Technology, GPS Trends and Technology. Introduction. The fundamental goal of geospatial technology is to provide up-to-date information at lowest cost and highest quality. In this decade, information system is being spatially enabled to cope up with the needs of users always wants to know location and events happen on the earth, which enables them to make spatial decisions. In this chapter, we have discussed trends of geospatial technology, which includes remote sensing, GIS and GPS, that help to show how development trends are meeting the needs of the public and the users. Remote sensing trends and technology. Remote sensing technology plays a crucial role to monitor and study the natural resources and environmental conditions. A remarkable progress has been made in utilizing remote sensing data to study, monitor, and model the Earth's surface as well as subsurface. Improvements in sensor technology, especially in the spatial, spectral, radiometric, and temporal resolution, have enabled the trend of development of remote sensing is listed below. Aerial photographs through balloons, kites, and aircrafts, panchromatic satellite images, multispectral satellite images, high resolution data, manual interpretation, digital image processing, integration of satellite data with GIS. Integration with GPS data, hyperspectral images, digital photogrammetry. Aerial photographs. Photography was born in 1839. In early 1840, Arago, director of the Paris Observatory, advocated the use of photography for topographic surveying. The first aerial photograph was taken in 1858 by Parisian photographer. He used balloon to obtain the photograph in near Paris. Remote sensing technology started with photographs in the early 19th century. The photographic camera has served as prime remote sensor for more than 150 years. It captures an image of Earth from a balloon through a lens onto a recording medium. Meanwhile, an alternate approach, mounting cameras on kites, became popular in the last 2 decades of the 19th century. After the First World War, cameras mounted on airplanes, commonly handled by aviators, provided aerial views of fairly large surface areas that were valuable for military reconnaissance. The aerial photographs are used for pictorial representation of Earth's surface, mosaicing, photo interpretation, and for photogrammetric survey. Panchromatic satellite images. Remote sensing above the atmosphere originated at the starting of the space age. The first US meteorological satellite, TEROS-1, was launched by an Atlas rocket into orbit on April 1, 1960. In 1960s, the first sophisticated imaging sensors were incorporated in orbiting satellites. At first, these sensors were providing low-resolution black and white pictures of clouds and Earth's surface as shown in figure. The advancement in technology has a capability to get the high-resolution pan images such as Cartosat-2 80 cm resolution. Multispectral remote sensing. Multispectral remote sensing is defined as the collection of reflected, emitted, or backscattered energy from an object or area of interest in multiple bands of the EMR. Multispectral imaging allows extraction of additional information that the human eye cannot capture. Usually satellites have 3, list 3 to 7 Landsat or more bands. Each band acquires one digital image in small range of visible spectra called red, green, blue region, near infrared, middle infrared, and microwave. Characteristics of MSS. It has 4 or 7 bands. It consists of broad bandwidth and from visible to microwave. Ground sampling is easy display. It is easy to do classification. Availability of data is easy. High resolution data. In the past, remote sensing was providing low resolution data. As technology advancement took place, space remote sensing has brought a new dimension to develop sensors which provides high resolution data to better understand the Earth features. The examples for high resolution for different satellites are presented below. Sensor resolution. List 3 PAN 5.8 meter, List 4 2.5 meter, Iconos 1 meter, Cartosat 2 0.8 meter, QuickBird 0.6 meter, GeoEye 0.5 meter. Manual interpretation. In initial stages of remote sensing, the interpretation was made visually and manually. This interpretation was made based on knowledge, familiarity with area, and personal interpretation skills. The interpreter examines the images based on the supporting material such as maps, reports of field observation. The success in image interpretation varies with the experience of the interpreter or depends on the nature of the object, phenomenon, or quality of the image being utilized. The interpreter was using interpretation keys such as tone, texture, shape, size, shadow, pattern, and association. Digital image processing. Digital image processing involves the manipulation and interpretation of images with the help of computer. During 1985, it started with limited organization due to high cost of the computers. The computers were very costly and their performance was low. Today, low-cost, efficient computer hardware, software are available. Many organizations are implementing digital image processing techniques. By using computer algorithms, image quality has been enhanced to increase the distinctions between the features, to increase the amount of information that can be visually interpreted from the data. Various image processing technologies such as histogram stretching, contrast enhancement, spatial filtering, and classifications are used. Integration of satellite data with GIS. The procedures are used to combine the image data of a same area with other geographical reference data set. For example, image data are combined with soil ownership, zoning, and topographic information. The evolution of GIS integrated these satellite images for better understanding of spatial phenomenon or for need-based analysis. GIS categorizes the satellite data with various thematic layers and makes the utilization of information effectively in vector format. Integration with GPS data. The evolution of GPS system during 1995 added additional values in geospatial technology which can accurately determine the location of any spatial feature. Due to GPS system, the GIS analysis capabilities are enhanced. Hyperspectral imagery. Hyperspectral sensor collects 200 or more bands of data which enables the construction of an effectively continuous reflectance spectrum of every pixel in the scene. This system can discriminate among each surface features that have absorption and reflection characteristics over a narrow wavelength intervals that are lost within the coarse bandwidth of various bands of the multispectral scanners. Hyperspectral imaging collects and processes information from visible as well as from ultraviolet to infrared band. Hyperspectral images can be used for application in agriculture, mineralogy, physics, and surveillance. More details about hyperspectral imagery is discussed in Chapter 1. More than 200 bands are available, so it is difficult to select the useful bands. Narrow bandwidth reveals hidden ground character which is not understood. Laboratory spectra of ground sampling is needed. Difficulty in display, which 3 band to choose for RGB. Hyperspectral data are difficult to classify because of high processing time, more memory needed. Digital photogrammetry. Historically, the most common use of photogrammetry is hard copy topographic map. Today, photogrammetry procedures are used to create GIS data products such as precise raster vector images and digital elevation models. Earlier, the photographs are collected through analog camera and processed through hard copy format. Now, advanced technology is developed. In digital photogrammetry, the digital photographs are used. Modern technology provides direct digital images by digital camera or by satellite sensors. So, the process of conversion from analog to digital is minimized. Digital photographs are radiometrically more accurate than analog data. Therefore, the interpretation is simpler and accurate.